If you hear a buzz sound or a rattle and you have threaded pressed valves on your bike, these threaded valves are often held on with a valve nut. See it here, this little ring on the bottom? Sometimes it actually looks like a nut. On tubeless valves, sometimes it looks like this. If these nuts come loose on the valve, because they're loose, when you hit bumps and you're going over rough pavement or dirt, they can rattle and make a noise. And the simple way to fix it is to just hold on to them and tighten them up so that they're bottomed out against the rim. That will stop that buzz and rattle noise quick. But don't make the mistake of tightening them down with a pair of pliers, because if you do that and you ever have to fix a flat on the road, it might be impossible to get them off with your bare hands. They don't need to be that tight. You just tighten them down by hand.